Okay, so after building the web pages or the website, the next thing is to test. Yeah, we are just ensuring that everything works, especially the buttons. Like for instance, if someone clicks on this contact us button, they should be redirected to the contact us page. If someone clicks on the read more button, they should be redirected to the about us page, so on so forth. So in this testing phase, we are just ensuring that everything is working properly. And like I said, the most or the major things we usually look out for are buttons. We always ensure buttons are linked properly. Even forms, like right now, if someone fills in information here and send, no message will be received by the owner. So in the process of testing, we ensure we fix all of this. And to do that from the home page, you just click on this edit with Elementor button over here like this, and the page builder opens up. Okay, from here we start linking the buttons to their proper destination. So the destination of this contact us button should be the contact us page, because when someone clicks on the contact us button, they should be redirected to the contact us page. So I'll just search the page here and it loads. I click on it. So WordPress is helping us to fetch the link of this particular contact us page to input here. So I'll just do the same for the read more button. I want it to be redirected to the about us page. I want it to redirect users to the about us page. So I'll just select about us here and scroll down the view more button. I want it to redirect to the contact us page again. And just like that, normally we are supposed to do for these individual buttons, but since the essence of this video is just for you to understand the basics, I'm not trying to go through some deep stuffs. I just want you to understand the basics, because the truth is everything relies on you. For you to be able to learn this, it's all to you. I cannot show you everything. There are some things you just get to see and experience as you walk through projects, as you build yourself. You cannot learn everything. So since I've linked all the buttons, I'll just go ahead and publish now. Okay, now it is published and I can go back and let's test. So if you click back, let me go back. If you click now on this button, you're going to be redirected to the contact us page. You see it works. You go back, you click on this one, you'll be redirected to the about us page, so on so forth. So you realize we could not edit the button of the form in that same Elementor panel. We don't edit anything about this form in the Elementor panel. We do the editing in the dashboard or the panel of the form. We do the editing in the Fluent form dashboard. So for us to edit this button, this send button, such that when someone enters their information or their message and sends, the owner of the website should receive, we do it in the dashboard, the Fluent form dashboard. And to do that, we go to the WordPress dashboard first, and from here we access the Fluent form dashboard. This is it. This is the tab. We click on it. From here, there are just some important things we have to look out for. You need to ensure you remember the name of the form. Remember, we labeled the form send message form, so this is it. And if you notice, or if you can remember, during the introduction of the course I mentioned something of SMTP. So SMTP is what makes the owner of the website to receive whatsoever thing is submitted in that form. SMTP is what enables the owner of the website to receive an email notification when a form is submitted, when a user fills in their information and submits. So to do that, to configure the SMTP, as we're here in the Fluent form dashboard, we click on this SMTP tab like this. If you remember, we installed a plugin called Fluent Form SMTP, so that is why we have this here. If you don't have it installed, you'll be prompted to install the plugin. So since we already installed the plugin, we just go further with view SMTP settings. So here is where you configure the SMTP settings, and it is at this stage where you make use of this. You remember when we created the professional email and received this notification, right? So it is at this phase where we make use of this configuration email we received. So from here you choose other SMTP, and this opens up. You have to input the credentials or whatsoever you receive here from your hosting provider. So the from email for me was support. That the from email is usually your professional email, so you just input here like this. Then the from name can be your site title, so let's just go with Alpha Worldwide. Let me copy and paste so that we go faster. You just go with Alpha Worldwide. The SMTP host, normally the SMTP host is always mail dot your domain name.com, like this. So for me, I'll replace the domain name with my actual domain name. Don't get it twisted, you have to input your actual domain name. So my actual domain name, I'll just copy and paste, and I expect you to do that same too. You just input the 465 and you select SSL. All these informations are here, and you select, you see they have specified SSL or TLS, so that's why I went in for SSL. Okay, you scroll down. For your username should be the same name as your professional email. So my username is just going to be my professional email. I'll just input it here. They even specified it here. Your username should be your professional email, sorry. Then the password should be the password you inputted when you were about creating the professional email. So they even had to specify it here. The password of your professional email is the password you are going to use here. So mine is already there. All you have to do now is to save connection, and this will load and you get the success message. You see the SMTP server provider set up like this. Now if someone goes and fill in this form, if I fill in this form, let me just put some random things here. If I hit send, the owner of the website can receive what I've sent in this email inbox. So let me just refresh. You see, the owner can receive what I sent. This is the message I sent. But also you have to ensure that after you're done with the SMTP, you come back to the Fluent Form dashboard again. You come back here and you select that particular form, the send message form in our case. So we select this edit below the form. We come under settings and integration like this. We click here, the tab, and under under email notification, you click on it. You ensure you've enabled the status. Normally yours will be like this, so you ensure you enable it on, and when you enable it on, you click on the setting icon, the green icon like this. You edit the send to email. You can just copy this code, wp-admin_email in braces. You copy this exact thing and you input there. In your case, the subject is this, what the DFB for this case is the subject. That means the subject is a summary, is like a title of the email, Then here, if you put all data, it means anything that is submitted in that form, you're going to receive it. But if you can go further to specify if the form is really long and you don't want everything submitted on the form to be listed or viewed by the owner, you can customize that here. You scroll down further, and if it's a form that you know that when users get to you, you have to reply them, you definitely need to set up this advanced setting. So the from name should be like the name, the user's name, the visitor's name. So you choose from the form the from name, that is the input from the field called names will be used here. That's what this means. Then the from email, the input from the email field will be used here. And the reply to them, if you want to reply to that email, you will reply to the email that was inputted in the email field, and that is all. So once you have enabled all this on, you save your notification, you get the success message. Most times this phase is difficult for most people, for beginners especially, but if you get here and you're stuck, get to me. I'm always open. You can use this number on your screen. Get to me, I'll help you.